Good morning, everyone. I am Shazza Mota, and today's topic is conjunction and its types. What are conjunctions? Words that help us to join two or more words or group of words or sentences are called conjunctions. Now, before starting with the topic of conjunctions, we should be very clear about the objective of conjunction. It is to classify or to identify clauses and sentences. Sentences are that which are complete in their own, and clauses are not complete. They are giving some meaning but not complete. Conjunctions are of basically three types: coordinating conjunction, subordinate conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. So let's first study about conjunctions and its types. First is coordinating conjunction. Now this is a type of conjunction which gives value to both the parts of sentences as they connect equal parts of sentences. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions like but, or, so, and, yet, for, nor. Here are few examples. I like coffee, but my wife prefers tea. Would you prefer coffee or tea? I have drunk 6 cups of coffee today, so I have got a headache. Reason is coming. I take milk and sugar in my tea. He is 72, yet he still swims, runs, and plays football regularly. She must have been very hungry, for she ate everything immediately. So these are the examples for coordinating conjunctions and their usage. Now what is subordinating conjunction? Subordinate clause cannot stand alone as a sentence, as we have done in the topic of conditionals, as they require one sentence is independent and the other one is dependent. So subordinate conjunction introduce a subordinate clause and join it to a main clause. Here are few examples of subordinate clause which are used to join one main clause and the other dependent clause. Now correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs such as neither nor, not only, and but also. These conjunctions connect two balanced clauses or phrases or words. Now the two elements that correlative conjunction connect are usually similar in length and grammatical structures. Here are few examples for the same, like either or. We can go to either Murray or Khagan Naran for a holiday. Both and. Both English and Urdu are spoken in ComStats. Not only but also. Not only is a professional footballer, but he is also a successful businessman. Thank you very much. Hope you have understood the topic. Take care. Thank you.